Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a stylish and practical home decor option, the Hexagon Floating Shelves. If you're looking to add a touch of farmhouse charm or industrial flair to your living space, these shelves might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore why they're considered the best large hexagon shelves on the market. These hexagon floating shelves come in a set of 6, crafted from sturdy wood with a beautiful honeycomb design. They're not only functional but also add a rustic elegance to any room. Each shelf measures 15 inches in diameter, providing ample space for displaying photos, plants, small art pieces, and more. First off, these shelves are incredibly versatile. Whether you're decorating your bedroom, living room, hallway, or office, they blend seamlessly into various decor styles, from farmhouse to modern industrial. Constructed from thick wood, these shelves are lightweight yet durable, showcasing the natural wood grain which adds a unique touch to each piece. The hexagonal shape not only looks fantastic on the wall but also offers a practical display solution. One of the standout features is their easy installation process. No need for complex tools or hours of setup, simply drill the screws into the designated holes and mount the shelves securely. It's a hassle-free way to transform any blank wall into a focal point. Imagine using these shelves to create a striking pattern on your wall or as a decorative accent in your home office. They're perfect for showcasing collectibles, organizing books, or even displaying a curated collection of plants for a botanical corner. In conclusion, if you're searching for a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, these hexagon floating shelves are a top contender. Whether you're a decor enthusiast or simply looking to tidy up your space with style, they offer both practical storage and decorative flair. If you're interested in upgrading your living space with these shelves, check out the link in the description below to find out more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and home decor ideas on Product Critique.